Okay, today's fruit haul. I really made out like a bandit today. 6 mamets, 2 boxes of sugar mangoes, and 4 boxes of oranges. That's actually 4 boxes. I haven't put in these crates for me. For all of that, I paid 50 bucks. That is a huge deal. So, you can find these deals if you look around. Mamey, like I say, this fruit here is tremendous. The mangoes, of course. I mean, these are all local. Great for smoothies. These are good for smoothies as well. You can eat them, just cut it in half and eat it. The oranges, great for juicing. Eat the pulp, of course. So, great fruit haul today. And remember, it's going to be key for you to search out good produce stores and places where you can get really good produce at a good price. All the best. Have a great one.